Okay, this is the disaster that I call the back of my truck. Got some work tools in there, a whole bunch of other crap. Gotta clean it down, clean it all out rather. Get to the carpeting. I'm gonna vacuum the carpet, clean out the interior. Then I'm gonna take off all the trim panels. And I'm gonna gut the interior, get it ready for all the dynamite that I have now. Gonna skin the tailgate. Hopefully I have enough to do the doors, the floor, the roof, the walls. If I have to buy more, I'll buy more. And for now I'll leave the amp hooked up so then I'll have some tunes up in the front there. Let's first clean this pigsty. Well, that looks a hell of a lot better. Vacuumed out and all cleaned up. Now it's time to start pulling stuff apart. Probably start with the side panels, then the lower pieces. Carpet will be last. Let's see what
this magic trick. Abracadabra. What?
Alright, I just finished removing all of the interior on my truck, minus the door panels. I'll do those when I'm ready to dyno them. I've got to buy the Christmas tree clips there, those little plastic things, because I know these ones are already broken. So anyways, to the radio here. Let me switch to, there we go, macro. Anyways, let's go through the settings here so it's the same we get here. Okay, high pass filter is off. Source level adjust is +1. Bass boost I'll leave at 0. And I'll leave my EQ the same, it's just my custom set. Balance is the same front to rear, but all the speakers that I'm running are in the console anyways, all 4 of them. I got a 300 watt Alpine amp in the back. Let's run this test at 14. Let's see what we get here. I'm going to shut this. Windows and doors are all closed. You can hear it very well through the truck right now. I'm going for that really muffled sound when it's all done, so we'll see how much it changes.
Heavyweight, a flat, not an amateur. Shoot it up, I push pies like Murray County gon' do. Shoot it up if I must, take over shop, get out the car and walk, sneak up on Butler and do a dome shot. Then I'll blend into the crowd. Hang with a bunch of hot heads, super hype and wild. Play your best and stop asking about a player, inquiring about a player. Can't fuck it right now, later. I'm busy getting my paper and riding around in my scraper, interacting, networking, and campaigning like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Like McCormick, I'm fusing, I run my room ready. I mean, I'm over here now, nigga. I'm me. They walking like King of Lion and shit.
Well, I just got out of work. I have tomorrow off, so I'm gonna get this thing hopefully finished. I wanted to do one more video. Right now the air's off, the windows are up, the radio's turned down. Just to hear the road noise here when I'm pulling onto the expressway. You can hear the engine, this and that. None of that's gonna change in the time that I put the dyno mat in there, but hopefully the sound quality will get a little better here with as far as noise goes. louder in hotter than before, and I also want to point out it feels like it's about 100 degrees hotter in here without the insulation to kind of reflect some of this heat out of the truck. And a giant traffic jam. Okay, see you at home.